temple dedicated to Nataraja is in Chidambaram. It is in Tamil Nadu. Jagannath temple is in Puri. It is in Orissa. Maharana Pratap ruled over Chittor. Tipu Sultan was the ruler of Srirangapattam. Alexander the Great came to India from Macedonia. Buddhism was founded by Gautama in 566 BC. His father Sudhodhan was the eminent king of Sakya Republic. When you know why is my channel name a fish? If you don't know, this video is for you. Full form of fish is F for facts, I information, SS short stories, H horror. This all is catch by fish. That's why my channel name is fish. Cats fear from everyone, but there is a one person from whose cat does not fear. The answer is the person who has gone to heaven. Did you know? Don't know. The real name of Shinchan is Shinosuke Nohara. This is a very famous cartoon of Shinchan. Most of the small kids like the Shinchan's episodes. To get the amazing videos like this, subscribe me. You will get the first notification when I upload a new video. Five amazing facts. Fact number 1. Rabbits have a lifespan of around 10 years. Fact number 2. Ink is poisonous for our skin. Fact number 3. There are over or more than 5.5 billion searches per day on Google. Fact number 4. Brain requires 25% of all oxygen used by the body. Fact number 5. First banner ads was shown in year 1994. The national game of India is hockey. If you lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it can't hop. They use their tails for balance. The longest car in the world was built by Burj. It is 100 feet long. It has 26 wheels, a swimming pool, and even a helicopter landing pad. The Earth's core is hot as the surface of the sun. The long neck of giraffe can stretch more than 7 feet. On Good Friday, Jesus Christ was crucified at place of skull or Calvary after being flogged and nailed by wrist and feet onto a cross. Is Good Friday a happy or sad day? It's a day of sad and mourning as Christians commemorate crucifixion of Jesus. Azerbaijan, what is this? This is the name of a country. Who had listened this country's name? In year 1929, the first TV was sold. The name of that TV is Bear the Televisor. At that time, 1000 devices were made using reflected light to create a low-resolution image. The TV had a screen about the size of a postage stamp. No single inventor deserves credit for the television. The idea was floating around long before the technology existed. To make it happen, and many scientists and engineers made contributions that built on each other to eventually produce what we know as TV today. TV means television. 10 amazing facts. Fact number 1. Did you know that Israel have kept a flower's name Modi? Fact number 2. George Harrison had taken the first selfie with Taj Mahal in year 1966. Fact number 3. The USS Death Valley Road is 200 kilometers and it's straight. Fact number 4. If bear gets hurted, it cries like a human. Fact number 5. In Iceland, to take care of dogs is crime. Fact number 6. The national vegetable of India is potato. Number 7. India's largest bank is Reserve Bank. Fact number 8. The age of squirrel is 9 years. Fact number 9. The most expensive stone in the world is blue diamond. Fact number 10. 1 inch equals to 2.54 centimeters. 1 barrel of petrol holds around 42 gallons. There is a city called Smackover located in Arkansas. California's official state animal is extinct. In the world, 85% of plants are under sea. Vitamin D does not come from the sun, it comes from our skin. Sunlight is the factor that converts cholesterol in our skin to vitamin D3. Today we will discuss the spellings of all correct. There are two. OLLKORRECT. This is a much different spelling of all correct. ALLCORRECT is mostly used word. Penguins can jump as high as 6 feet in air. There is 83% of water in mango. The smallest country in the world is Vatican City. It covers over 100 acres. Vatican City is not a city, but it is a country. 1 and 1 equals to 2. Most of the people says. And they also says that 1 and 1 equals to 11. But listen man. 1 and 1 equals to 0. But how? 1 minus 1 equals to 0. This I have done. The 100 years war lasted for 116 years. The most famous Twitter account is of Barack Obama. It has over 131 million followers. There is 87% of water in pineapple. The number 1 YouTuber in the world is T-Series. It has over 213 million subscribers. It is number 1 channel of YouTube. There is 87% of juice in orange. There is 91% of water in strawberry. Did you know that YouTube was first launched in February 14, 2005 in United States? The first video on YouTube is me at the zoo. It is 16 years old. Name of the channel is Javed. It has over 2.81 million subscribers. It is increasing. It has likes 11 million, views 227 million, comments are also 11 million. Did you know that there are 2 search engines? There are Google and Yahoo. The name of the first Vivo phone is Vivo Y51L. Today I am arresting you. Really? I will not arrest you. I am telling you the best country's name which haven't you heard. Then let's arrest Azerbaijan, Romania, Rwanda, Egypt, Sweden, Turkey. I am not arresting them. They are the countries which comes under the word arrest. Did you know that there is bigger mountain than Mount Everest? So I will tell you. Some mountains are found under the sea. One of them, Mauna Kea in the Pacific Ocean, is higher than the Mount Everest. The smallest ocean in the world is the Arctic Ocean. A polar bear walks on the frozen surface of the Arctic Ocean. The first iPhone, known as iPhone 2G, iPhone 1 or original iPhone, was launched on June 29, 2007 in United States of America. The top YouTuber which have uploaded more videos in the world is the Stars. It has over 6.15 million subscribers and it has over 222,000 videos. Earth travels 958 million kilometers to complete one revolution around the sun at an average speed of 30 kilometers per second. Amazing information about snow. Ice crystals fall from clouds as snow. Moisture freezes onto the crystals which join together as snowflakes. Large snowflakes formed when the temperature is above freezing fall as wet snow. Crystals do not stick together well in extreme cold and fall as dry, powdery snow. Snowflakes. Each snowflake is a collection of ice crystals which are usually hexagon but may not be needle-shaped or columnar. No two crystals are identical. If snowflakes fall into air that is just above freezing point, they may melt to form sleet. Blizzard. When very heavy snow combines with a strong wind, the result is a blizzard. In a blizzard, visibility drops to almost nil and the ground is quickly buried in thick snow, which may be blown by the wind into huge drifts that can engulf a house. I am feeling much bored today. This most of the people says. But did you know that there is an animal named bird? Yes. When you type bird, one animal's picture comes. That means not it is feeling every time bird, but its name is in English is bird. It is a wild animal. We know it as a pig, but there are two names of it, pig and second is bird. The first film known as Raja Harishchandra. Raja Harishchandra is a 1913 Indian silent film directed and produced by Dadasaheb Phalke. It is often considered the first full-length Indian feature. I welcome you all in part 1 of the video. Who present here wants gold, silver and diamond after watching this video? Bye everyone present here. It was a joke. Hi everyone present here. Today let's discuss 100 years is equal to question mark. So let's go smoothly. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 15 days 1 fortnight. We did not need to go at 4 at night for it. 30 or 31 days 1 month. 365 days 1 year. 366 days 1 leap year. 12 months 1 year. 1 year 1 decade. 25 years is equal to silver jubilee. So don't get excited for silver. We would not get it after 25 years. 50 years is equal to golden jubilee. It's costly, so did not be excited for free of gold. Twitter was first launched in 21 March 2006 in United States of California. Today I am going to tell you the history of the national flag of India. Then let's start. A number of flags with varying designs were used in the period preceding the Indian national independence movement by the rulers of different princely states. The idea of a single India flag was first raised by the British rulers and India was the rebellion of 1857, which resulted in the establishment of direct imperial rule. The flag of India, whose design was based on Western heraldic standards, was similar to the flags of the British rulers, including Canada and South Africa. Its red field included the Union Jack in the upper left quadrant and a star of India capped by the royal crown in the middle of the right half to address the question of how the stars conveyed Indian as Queen Victoria created the Knight Commander of the Order of the Star of India to honor services to the empire by her Indian subjects. Subsequently, all the Indian princely states received flags with symbols based on the heraldic criteria of Europe, including the right to fly defaced British red ensigns. There is a bird named Shoebill. If we sit in his front, then Shoebill will stare and only see you. It's known as death stare, but he will not harm you. 5 amazing facts. Fact number 1. South Africa has 3 capitals. Fact number 2. Saudi Arabia has 95% of desert. Fact number 3. The biggest road in the world is road network. It is near India. It is 1.9 million meter long. Fact number 4. A rare Patagonian crater, Agata. It is found only in Argentina. Fact number 5. When Lionel Messi heard a boy in Afghanistan had been wearing a Messi jersey out of a plastic bag, he sends the boy a real jersey signed by him. 5 amazing facts. Fact number 1. The most polluted city in the world is Bhiwadi. It is in Rajasthan. Fact number 2. Eiffel Tower designer Gustave Eiffel included a secret apartment for himself near the top. Fact number 3. The tallest tree in Wales got damaged by lightning, and instead to cut it down, a chainsaw artist decided to make this as a symbol of the tree's last attempt to reach the sky. Fact number 4. The full form of computer is Common Oriented Machine, particularly united and used under technical and educational research. Fact number 5. We have listened the name virus, but did you know the full form of virus? So let's go. The full form of virus is Vital Information Resources Under Siege. The only sea on Earth that is defined by ocean currents rather than a land border is the Sargasso Sea. 5 amazing facts. Fact number 1. World's costliest mango is Miyazaki mangoes. It is costly. Its price is 2.70 lakh per kilogram. Fact number 2. World's most expensive car is Bugatti La Voiture Noira. Its price is $18.7 million. Fact number 3. World's most fastest car is the Devil 16. It travels at a blistering speed of 347 miles per hour. Fact number 4. The full form of ROM is read-only memory. Fact number 5. The full form of IMEI is International Mobile Equipment Identity. Cricket. I am not telling about the game cricket. I am telling about the insect named cricket. They hear through their legs. Adolf Hitler, Alexander the Great, Napoleon were having Ailurophobia, means fear of cats. Did you know? Don't know that Bharat Ratna Prize was started in 2 January 1954. Full form of India is Independent National Democratic Intelligent Area. Today I will tell you names of CEO with companies. Then let's start. Microsoft, Satya Nadella. Apple, Tim Cook. Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. Mastercard, Ajay Banga. Amazon, Jeff Bezos. Google, Sundar Pichai. Twitter, Jack Dorsey. Everyone in daily life reads newspapers, but did you know that there is a full form of newspaper? So let's go smoothly. The full form of newspaper is North, East, West, South, Past and Present Events Report. The first iPhone, known as iPhone 2G, iPhone 1 or original iPhone, was launched on June 29, 2007 in United States of America. Dinosaurs are larger in size. Can their head be that much larger? But see, the Stegosaurus has a brain of a size walnut. Today we will discuss about Sun and Solar System. Knowledge will be much, so this video will be little longer. Knowledge of fish presents Sun and Solar Systems information. So let's go. The Sun is a star, a huge ball of spinning gas that is about 5 billion years old. It is important to us because it is the most massive and influential member of the solar system. Its gravity keeps Earth and 8 other planets, more than 60 moons, and millions of comets and asteroids orbiting around it. Together, they make up a disc-shaped system, which is billions of kilometers across. They share a past and a future dependent on the Sun. Let's discuss inside the Sun. The Sun is an incredible hot sphere of gas that is generating energy. Its core is partially hot and dense, Here, nuclei of hydrogen collide and fuse to form helium. This reaction produces energy which, among other things, light and heats the solar system. The energy passes through the radiation and convection zones to surface of photosphere, then through the sun's atmosphere, chromosphere into space. Let's discuss about life of the sun. The sun is a middle-aged star. As it ages, its appearance will change. In about 5 billion years, the hydrogen in its core will have been converted into helium and the outer layers will swell. It will expand to more than 150 times its present size, becoming a red giant. Mercury will be engulfed and life on Earth will cease. Eventually, the outer layers will drift off and the remains will shrink to become a white dwarf. The sun's core is 15 million degrees Celsius and 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Its photosphere is 5500 degrees Celsius, 9900 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun is the nearest star to Earth. Is a sphere of gas. About 70% of its mass is hydrogen and 28% helium. We know that there are 9 planets in our solar system. Pluto is a real planet. Let's discuss about 9 planets orbit of the sun. The 4 inner ones are made of rock. The 4 largest, known as the gas planets, consist of large amount of gas. The most distant, Pluto, is icy rock. The biggest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is the most massive planet. It is made of most material, 318 times the amount of material that makes Earth. It is also the biggest. It would take 1330 Earth to fill Jupiter's space. The axis of Venus is tilted by 178 degrees. Venus spins backward and takes 243 days to turn once. Each planet spins on its axis as it orbits the sun. The planets are not upright. Their axes are not at right angles to the orbital path. Earth is tipped by 23.5 degrees and spins anti-clockwise. Venus, Uranus and Pluto are tipped over so far they spin on their axis in the oppositional direction. Each year, deforestation has been increased. It is so much increased that more than lakh number of trees are being destroyed each year. So we should protect it. If we cut one, we should plant two. We should save them. Save trees, save earth. They are important in our life. We could not live without trees because they provide us oxygen. Did you know that Venus spins backward and takes 243 days to turn once? Squirrels can climb trees faster than they can run on the ground. The Earth's core is hot as surface of the sun. Venta black is the most blackest thing in the world. It absorbs 99.96% of light.